Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we've been working on a 68 plate 2019 Audi Q2. It's an ex-demo model, so the customer could only get the spec as it was and needed a few little extras. So today we have done highline reversing camera, folding wing mirrors, and a Thinkware Q800 dash camera to keep them safe on the road. Now this video is all about the folding wing mirrors, just so that you can see how it works, what it's going to look like after we've done the retrofit. As I always say, this isn't a how-to, it's more to show you what it's going to look like and feel like when we do this retrofit for you. So to start off with, the car is currently unlocked and the wing mirrors are out. We're going to get our key fob, and just with one lock we're going to push the lock on the car. You're going to see the wing mirrors have just gone in then, and that's how they will stay until you get back into the car with the ignition. So what I'll do is I'll get James in a second to walk up to the car, get in, and when he turns the ignition on you will see those wing mirrors fold out. Okay, so James is just going to walk up and unlock and get in the car, and then he's just going to pop the keys in the ignition, and as soon as he does you will see the wing mirrors fold out. And whilst he's in there with the ignition on, he can turn the fob on the inside and it will automatically close the wing mirrors. So when he turns it to 0, which is the downward position, and as you can see they're turning in, and I'm just going to zoom in very slightly, and James is just going to unfold them again. And then they come out, and then James is just going to jump out the car and lock the car, and you will see those wing mirrors fold back in. There you go, happens on both sides of the vehicle, and because this is a genuine Audi retrofit, it also means that when you've got it's all coded up properly on the MMI system, you will get the function under vehicle settings and central locking. I'm not going to show you it because it's pretty obvious, we do it every single time. You'll get a little screen on there that says fold on lock. You either tick it or you don't tick it depending on what you want the car to do after you do the locking. So that's it. If you have got an Audi Q2 or any other Audi or Volkswagen and want to get genuine folding wing mirrors, yes, there are kits on eBay that use relays and stuff like that, but if you want to do it properly, do it with genuine parts. It's never going to let you down, and it's what's meant to be on the vehicle. If you want to get in touch or get this done for yourself, it's www.advanced-incar.co.uk. If you like these videos and enjoy watching what we do and seeing what we can do and pushing the boundaries of these retrofits, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, give us a quick like, it really does help us out in the long run. And as always, thanks for watching.